Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lock or unlock your Sensi Smart Thermostat in 2026. Now, before we begin, you need to understand one important thing, which is that Sensi thermostats do not use a button combination on the thermostat itself in order to enable the lock feature. As you can see, there is no such button available. So instead, the keypad lockout feature is controlled by the Sensi application. So you need to simply download and install the Sensi application on your phone. Then you just have to select your thermostat and you need to go to its settings. So when you are inside its settings, you just have to select the option of system settings. Now inside the system settings, there will be this type of keypad lockout option, and underneath it you will see the option of lock thermostat display. So as you can see, currently it is unlocked, but in order to enable it, you just have to simply tap on it in order to turn this toggle button on. Similarly, if you want to turn it off, you just have to tap on it in order to turn it off. So you will be able to basically control the lock and the unlock feature with the help of the Sensi mobile application on your phone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.